Hello and welcome everyone to the Cricket Opinion. My name is Doiban Mukherjee, and since today's video would be about the ICC rule change, I also decided to do a location change. It's the same room but it's a change nevertheless. Keeping in mind the COVID-19 safety guidelines, the ICC has banned the use of saliva on the balls, which will certainly put the bowlers in a place of disadvantage, not only in terms of playing but also it's been a very traditional use of practicing and with practicing their bowling drills and bowling in matches using their salivas. In a recent interview, Jasprit Bumrah mentioned about how it's certainly now in limited overs we have started to use two new balls. Like each ball is used in alternative overs, and because of this new intervention, reverse swing is hardly happening these days at the end of the innings, which is certainly slightly disadvantageous to the bowlers. With the grounds getting shorter and the pitches getting flatter and flatter, the ban on this saliva used to keep the shine on the ball will certainly make life easier for the batsman. With the advent of T20 cricket, we have seen a certain shift of the battle of bat and ball going to the bat's way, as batsmen are seen hitting towering sixes and bowlers struggling to get hold of batsmen in most matches in the last decade or so. And even India's batting coach Vikram Rathore briefly touched upon the topic, saying that this ban has certainly been more useful to the batsmen, as the shine is something that the bowlers revel on while on a cricket match. And it certainly, he suggests that there should be an artificial system where the balls are artificially tampered under the guidance of the match officials and the on-field umpires, and anything is fair for everyone. Any sort of tampering or adjustments made to the playing ball should be induced in matches, because otherwise we are going the batsman's way a bit too soon. There must be more guidelines or more actions taken that would make the battle between bat and ball more balanced. And of course, for the viewer as well, you don't want a very monotonous match where the batsmen are enjoying each advantage and the bowler are really having a tough time out there. So Vikram Rathore rightly said that as long as all the teams are equally given the advantage of a certain tampering made, it's the right way to go forward. Former India legendary spinner and also former India head coach Anil Kumble in a recent webinar spoke about handling this situation by making the pitches around the world more livelier and bowler friendly. In the last 5-6 years, we have seen test matches getting more results than ever before, because we have seen bowlers getting into the act more. For any team to win a test match, it's important for the bowling team to take 20 wickets. Irrespective of the number of runs you score, 700, 800, you only win matches when your bowling department gives you 20 wickets. And for that to happen now with the ban on saliva use, we must have livelier pitches where the conditions and the pitch helps bowlers as long as possible, and the batsman needs to tackle this change, because the saliva use is no longer there to keep the shine on the ball, and once the ball gets old, it gets much easier for the batsman. So this idea of making the pitches according to the bowler or under the guidance of bowling coaches and all is the correct way, because then only we will get to see more exciting matches where bowlers are challenging the batters right till the end of the game. All in all, these are the main arguments that have been put forward to counterbalance the ban on saliva use. If you have any other opinion, if you agree or disagree, or you have anything else to say, feel free to comment. That's all from me for this video. Take care. Bye bye.